Naka, and I am here with a new video. This is Isee here. I am going to be providing you guys with a full install video showing you how I achieved this look. If you are interested, make sure you stay tuned and watch me install this wig. This is a 20-inch with 180% density, natural color. The hair is so beautiful. I really love the length of the hair. It's very natural. It's not too heavy. It's actually pretty light. So if you're looking for a natural look, add this wig to your collection. I definitely needed a natural wig in my collection for sure. So I am so excited to share this look with you guys. I will show you how I got it from the beginning to the end. I showed you how I bleached the hair. I showed you how I styled the hair, how I applied the wig to my head, and here are the end results. Also, I want to share with you guys that I have a new website, and the new website is www.shespressed1.com. I will leave it below so you guys can visit. I will be selling press-on nails, luxury designer press-on nails. So make sure you guys visit my website and show me some love, okay? I have over 40 different designs. So you got some scrolling to do, sis, okay? You got some scrolling to do. Once again, my website is www.shespressed1.com. Now, let's get into the video. I'm gonna go ahead and start the bleaching process. If you have not seen my previous videos, I do go over that process. But if you are interested, I'm gonna link a video below just showing you how I bleach my knots. Like I said before, we're working with a 4x4 lace wig, so there's not much we have to do. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my bleach, and I'm also gonna grab the developer. And like I said, I do use plastic utensils to spread the bleach onto the knots. So let's see how this bleaches, y'all. Okay, so in my previous video, I do go over what I use to bleach my knots. I believe we all basically use the same thing. I'm using the BW bleaching powder. I'm using 40 developer and my measuring cup to mix everything in. I used a plastic butter knife because I believe it spreads so much easier. It just spreads like butter, and that is going to allow us to bleach the knots perfectly. If you want to use a brush, go ahead. It is definitely your personal preference. I'm mixing the bleach in with the developer until I get a creamy consistency. So that's what I'm doing now, and once it is mixed in, I will show you guys how I apply it to the lace. As you can see, I'm softly applying it. You don't want to put too much pressure on the lace because this will allow the bleach to seep through, and we do not want to over bleach our knots or even get it in between the hair follicles. So this is what I do this is how I apply the bleach to the knots. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna set our timer to 10 minutes. Now, it usually does bleach 10 minutes on the dot for me. For me, it does. But set your timer to 10 minutes if you are using a 40 developer. If you're using 30, I would say do 20 minutes, but keep checking every 5 minutes or so just to make sure it's not over bleaching. What you wanna look for is like a blonde color. So it may start turning light brown, and you want to just keep checking for that. When you see the knots turning light brown, then that's when you want to start, you know, keeping a closer eye on it, because that's how you know it's literally bleaching now. And these knots are very dark, so I would definitely notice when the knot starts to change colors. So now we just want to customize the front of the wig. Even though this is a 4x4, we still want to make sure our hairline looks as natural as possible. So what I did was I just did a zigzag motion in the front, and I pulled the rest of the hair back. This way we're not plucking too much of the front lace. And then that's when you want to start the process of plucking the hair. I just keep plucking from front to back, and then I'll comb the excess hair from the plucking. Of course, you're gonna have to have some shedding because we are literally pulling out the hair. I do have a video of me showing you how to pluck the hair from the lace. So if you're interested, make sure you pull up that video. After this, I'm just pulling out another layer of hair, and I'm just going to continue plucking from front to back, front to back, front to back. And once you see the hairline that reaches your liking, that's when you want to stop plucking, and then go ahead and apply your wig after straightening the hair with a hot comb. So once you place the wig on your head and you have it glued down, you just want to cut the front of the lace in a zigzag motion with your razor. And yeah, it's a little different when you're not working with a full lace wig. I did kind of mess up with the cutting, as you can see, but I did go back and fix it. Once you have everything cut off, you just want to add another layer of got to be glue spray just to flatten it down, and you want to place a scarf over the hairline to give it a meltdown look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. So what I did was I slicked down baby hairs on this side and this side just to add some character to it. Since we are working with a 4x4 wig, there's not much you can really do, but I wanted to keep it really simple. As you can see, this is how long the hair is. It is actually pretty thin. So if you are interested in a natural look, I would definitely suggest getting this I would definitely suggest getting the 180% density. I believe if it was 200%, it would be way more thicker. If I would have got 200%, it would have been way more full, but that's fine. I did need a natural wig in my collection, so this is great. What I noticed overall, the hair is very soft. I will be providing an updated hair review later down the line, so once I have this hair in for at least a month or two, I will tell you guys how the hair held up. But so far so good. I didn't get any problems, no shedding. Actually no shedding at all. The only time I experienced shedding was when I actually plucked the knots, but other than that, I'm not even seeing any shedding at all. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just to let you know, the information on this hair will be listed below, so go ahead and click the link and get your shopping on. All right, and this is Bianca Naka, and I'm tuning out.